If you love that fresh, zesty kick with a little heat in the background, this lemon pepper marinade is going to be one of those recipes you keep coming back to. It's bright bold and honestly makes anything taste better. Full recipe is waiting for you in the description. Start with 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of olive oil for that fresh citrus base. Then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce along with 1 tablespoon of honey to balance it out with a little depth and sweetness. Now give that a quick whisk until everything comes together nicely and smoothly. Then layer in the flavor with 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon zest and 2 teaspoons of cracked black pepper. Follow that with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder together with 1 teaspoon of onion powder for that savory base. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley for seasoning and a subtle herby note. And finish with a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. This is optional, but it adds a gentle warmth and color. Now whisk everything together until the marinade is smooth, well blended, and slightly glossy. If this flavor combo is speaking to you, go ahead and save this for later, give it a like, and share it with someone who'd love this. And don't forget to subscribe to SpiceRally and tap the bell icon so you're the first to catch every new recipe as it drops. And your lemon pepper marinade is ready to go. This makes about 1/2 cup, perfect for coating any protein. Just pour it over, coat evenly, and let it sit so all that flavor really soaks in before cooking. Give this a try the next time you're cooking and see how much it lifts your dish. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon with something just as easy and flavorful.